Welcome to Geekflare. Today we are breaking down the top 8 AI tools for content creation from writing and visuals to voiceovers. These tools will help you create high quality content faster than ever, and you might even find a few game changers you haven't heard of before. If you're ready to unlock some AI magic, stick around because I guarantee you'll want to try these out. Alright, let's kick off with AI tools that can save you hours on writing. Number one on our list is ChatGPT by OpenAI. ChatGPT is like having a brainstorming partner who's always ready with fresh ideas. You can use it for everything: blog ideas, social media captions, even drafting full articles. Just give it a prompt and watch it go. Pro tip: try using ChatGPT as an editor too. Just paste your draft and ask it to polish up your sentences or make your tone more engaging. Tool number 2 is Jasper.ai. This one's built with marketers in mind, so it's perfect if you need high converting copy fast. Jasper comes loaded with templates for social media posts, emails, and landing pages. It even has a boss mode, which, yes, sounds powerful and actually is. Boss mode lets you generate in-depth content with just few prompts. Imagine cutting your content creation time in half. That's what Jasper can do for you and for anyone looking to create short-form content. Tool number 3 is Copy.ai. It is a must-try. It is ideal for creating catchy taglines, ad copy, and quick social posts that grabs attention. No more staring at blank screens. Copy.ai has you covered. Let's move on to visuals because great content needs to look good, right? Canva isn't new, but its AI features are. Well, this tool is Canva with tools like Magic Resize and AI-powered design suggestions. Canva helps you whip up stunning social posts, presentations, and more, all without needing design experience. Think of Canva as your digital design assistant, guiding you through creating visuals that pop. For unique and eye-catching images, we've got you tool number 5, Dall-E by OpenAI. Dall-E creates custom visuals from simple text prompts, which means you can get exactly what you need for a blog header, social post, or thumbnail. Just type what you're imagining, like a futuristic cityscape at sunrise, and Dall-E will bring it to life. Now, if video is more your style, tool number 6, Pictory.ai is amazing. With Pictory, you can turn a script or even a blog post into a video in minutes. It finds stock footages, adds music, and captions, all automated. It's perfect for repurposing content across platforms. Ever felt like creating video content that was too time consuming? Pictory makes it super quick and easy. Next, let's talk audio because a great voiceover or a podcast can make your content stand out. First up in this category is tool number 7, Descript. Descript lets you edit audio as if you're editing text. So if you want to cut out a part or change a word, you just delete or type in new text. It even has a feature called overdub that can clone your voice to make tiny changes without re-recording. Imagine the power of editing audio just like a Word document. Descript is a game changer for audio editing. And here's our tool number 8, Murf.AI, for anyone needing a quick high-quality voiceovers. Murf offers a range of natural sounding AI voices in multiple languages and tones. It is perfect for explainer videos, ads, or e-learning content. You just type in your script, pick a voice, and Murf does the rest. Before we wrap up, I have a couple of honorable mentions. AI tools you might find super useful. Grammarly is a lifesaver for anyone who writes. It's not just about fixing grammar, it also offers tone suggestions, clarity tips, and keeps your writing engaging. And don't forget Lumen 5. This tool turns blog posts into videos complete with images, transitions, and text animations. Ideal if you're looking to repurpose content. So now you're armed with an incredible toolkit for content creation. From writing and visuals to audio and video, there's an AI tool here to make every step of content creation faster and more creative. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Geekflare for more insights into the world of tech and content creation, and let us know in the comments, are you planning to try out any of these tools, or maybe you've already got a favorite one? We'd love to hear from you. This is Abhinav Sehgal from Geekflare signing off.